Roborock S8 vs S8 Pro Ultra, a detailed comparison. When it comes to robot vacuums, Roborock is a name that consistently appears at the top of the list. The company's latest offerings, the Roborock S8 and S8 Pro Ultra, have been creating quite a buzz in the market. If you're wondering which one to choose, you're in the right place. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the details of these two models and help you make an informed decision. Roborock S8 vs S8 Pro Ultra, key differences. Performance. One of the critical factors to consider when choosing a robot vacuum is its performance. Both the Roborock S8 and S8 Pro Ultra offer outstanding cleaning capabilities. However, the S8 Pro Ultra comes with a more potent suction motor, making it ideal for tackling various floor types. It also features a new dual-roller floor head, resulting in improved debris pickup. Roborock S8/S8 Plus Vacuum Review. Cleaning features. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is known for its advanced cleaning features, including a hot air mop and self-washing capabilities. This innovative mop system ensures thorough cleaning and maintenance, making it a top choice for those looking for a comprehensive cleaning solution. Roborock S8 Pro Ultra Review. Suction power. Suction power is crucial for a robot vacuum's effectiveness. The Roborock S8 series boasts excellent suction power, but the S8 Pro Ultra takes it a step further. With high suction power, it can effectively remove dirt and debris from your floors, leaving them spotless. Roborock S8 Pro Ultra Review. Cost, power, performance. Frequently asked questions. Question 1. Is the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra worth the extra cost? Answer 1. If you're looking for superior cleaning performance and advanced features like a hot air mop, the S8 Pro Ultra is worth the investment. Question 2. What are the key differences between the Roborock S8 and S8 Pro Ultra? Answer. The S8 Pro Ultra offers better cleaning performance, advanced cleaning features, and higher suction power compared to the S8. Question 3. Which model is better for homes with different floor types? Answer. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra with its dual-roller floor head and potent suction motor is well suited for homes with various floor surfaces. In conclusion, both the Roborock S8 and S8 Pro Ultra are exceptional robot vacuums, but the choice depends on your specific cleaning needs and budget. If you prioritize performance and advanced features, the S8 Pro Ultra is the way to go. However, the standard S8 model still offers excellent cleaning capabilities. Whichever you choose, Roborock's reputation for quality and innovation shines through in both models. Explore the differences between the Roborock S8 and S8 Pro Ultra robot vacuums to make an informed decision on which one suits your cleaning needs best. More information is available in the description below.